Hadin baka All India Football Federation kalaturwa sa Meghalaya Football Association ban penlong ki artili ki jingale kai bari kata kade ka international friendly match hapadeng kari India bat ka Maldives ka banlong haka khat khandai tarik ne arpho tarik ulber ar arpusan katba haka lumpung ele kai football ka AFC ka balatip kum ka Asian qualifying kade hapadeng kari India bat kari Bangladesh ka banlong haka arpusan tarik leber arpusan nakilyang kinopanyat ke Asian Football Confederation ka All India Football Federation haka jingadon rangkat lang kinopanyat ke Meghalaya Football Association haka arpho tarik kalalengkon kilalet jurep ya kamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Polo ban khmi bnya bakane kamadan JN Stadium kalong ne em ban penlong yakini kijingale kai football hakane kijinglet jurep nalet jurep do match commissioner ke Asian Football Confederation Umindu Dorji, Lembadu Abhishek Yadav, Senior Manager, Club Licensing and Competition, Jongko All India Football Federation, haka jingadon rangkat lang u President ke Meghalaya Football Association uba Hamlet Sondoling. Habai keran syakilat pathai kubor u President ke MFA ba Hamlet. Ulayat ho ba kajingwan kum kini kijingale kai, kalong kum kajingerap yangi, bat kumju ya ke sorkar jela. Bangin long kipa kham penjana ya ki madan yale kai, namar ba kumba kapau hakane ka jingwan jurip da ka AFC hapo ka jingalam match commissioner ka Asian Football Confederation AFC Mindu Dorji kilalap ka tu ka ni kijingduna ka madan namardon ka benta ba uplang ulas dang snew ka jingjrong uding gol ka jaka kre kinongele kai bat kiwe de uba hamnat ulaong ba ka ni ka jingwan jurip klo ya ka madan kalong ka babaha palat namardang yo ban penbha yakini kijingduna bat ukermen ba udorji un ai kai pot ka babiang shaka AIFF knang ba unyo ban penlong yakani kalumpung ele kai football ka bahe da ka jingkershan lang ka sorkar jela
like if we have any chief dignitary or something of that sort, we can use that again is an operational call that will be taken by us because of the construction that is happening. So right, as of now it's not numbered, so before the match, like whoever is coming for the match, the seats will be numbered, and even the tickets which will be printed, that will be as per AFC mandates.
Ticket has to go as
Exactly. So it will be as per AFC mandates in regards to that. The lower seats which are there, as we mentioned, that they'll be the seat kills. Yes, sir. They'll be the seat kills, but apart from that, those will also be numbered. So everything that is there will be accounted for and will be numbered sector-wise sectors. Okay. So the stadium as of now is divided into 4 sectors. Like if we want to put it in simple terms, there's east, west, north, south, and then we can divide it into south, west, and however we want it.
Yes. Why? Especially when we measure ball.
सर वो तो ग्रास कटिंग और बाकी सबसे मैनेज हो जाएगा.
So I told you.
अरे हाँ जी, रटा हुआ है वो, इसका पंगा नहीं है. So right now it's coming to 2.42, so it needs to be stomped.
Yes.
Basically.
Little bit.
Yeah, so
Little bit.
we can just stomp it and it will be.
Center will be different.
Yeah.
No need to measure there. It will be same. quite a lot. Yeah, center. So rectify. Okay. Yeah, rectify. But if it is more, it is a concern. Why we do measurements? Why we do measurements? Because team, protest. Yes. Team cannot protest against the referee decision. Yes. But they can protest against the field of play.
Especially if they are from East.
Okay. So that's why we have to be very careful. Okay. Penalty.
आप एंड में पकड़ो उसको.
Which
So seating for the sofas and the other seats will be put over there for the.
So can we go there and how we can move?
Main thing, the painting.
Dekat Asian Football Confederation rekat berki official jong ke AFF Tinwan Banjurip ya ka sejam mana po Shalom tinggi sukumen ba mataga sengi nak liang jong ka UFC kelap ha yo masa dido dorji berimat komisioner bakaju popor unong hikmat nak liang jong ka UFC bat uba Abhishek ubadai head of competition jong ka AFF tikini kelawan nado menen ka sengi bat menen ka sengi nak liang jong ka UFC bat ki AFF kelalik ban jurip suaya ki hotel nomor ba kuma petip kade ka international match mo ka ba kongsan ba bat nadu ki ka saru di ban bit ban biang kemudian si layo banwan ban inspect ya ka hotel po Marriott po Bibanta bat kenju hangte po Windermere bat nakar jinglap manin ya ki jingjurip ki hotel ni sukumen sibun ba ki long satisfied bat ka ini ki hotel nomor ba ki players bat ki official PP kan sabe ko ki hotel ki ba mahal ki hotel 5 star kita ki baki wan menin temen tak ski wada nak liang jong ki klon biang tak si ban pej ya ke stadium hi Brockway nadu ki jaka khare nadu ki jaka shong jong ki press nadu ki jaka ki medical room nang ta pada ki jaka shong jong ki paiba nang ta ki jaka shong jong ki VIP bat ka ba kham kongsan ka ba lawan do si klon ban pej ya ke kamaran hang ni mar kembang kitip ke dia ka natural tof de kembang susu bengi ni susu barang liang juguru ulong satisfied ya ka quality ke ba kemaran jugi ka don tare kata pada ingin sa tip you ka report nice ko ka UFC de kiti ke long ki ke ba lawan mata gasngi bat ya squad ban ya samat bhini ke por ba kejingwan kum kini ki match ni po Shalom ngatrai ka ajing kai sibun ba nak ta mata joko sarkar ba kunduru daftar jungi namar ba ki match ki bhe ka don kam hi ki mari ba bat ki stadium ki ba di matarang ni gini ban petru ya kata ka we ka practice sampai po nehu namar kini ki international match ki kwa ban practice be apa ka natural tof po kim kwa apa ki artificial ki kwa be natural di matarang ni sa spak le po nehu bat ka juru hate po SSC stadium di ka jempak ria hi ka layak shat tinggi so kemen sibune ya sarkar jela ka balai rap bat siam nam tekniki bar khoi balada kalong ke ba community hi ka report ke ban phat liang jong masa doji kalong ban ai ka report ke ba khang ba ngila ban pelong yak ki arti ma chani po Shalom ka badi ka we na ki state ki jala bi ya football na padeng mo ya ni hangi pada ka wana nakasai kadai kata to kam dadi ka major problem ka ba kidon ndai kalong bala lada lai lada nan esmat ki stadium ki ba la resna jika rung jika mik player ka di balong bi na padeng ti namla kani kam don ka isu ndai ka ditang ka jeng pi player ka jong
Kemarin so pisau di kenapa kena ke football match kan long ni?
Pi ka jeng pekriat nak liang jungi ka Meglia Football Association bat kerpang ru ka jeng yarap nak liang jong sarkar nama layo bat kerma cibasa sakura salma bat diba shakler blong sports ministry nak liang jungi long sispat ka ka kashan nam ta ti kemat marba kiru ki sethu ba ki ba ni ke bi ya ka football te all out hidak liang jungi kan kashan bat ngiru nya tristom bat ngi kwa iru ba ka kemat kan long hane apo Shalom bat ngi bi linti baladang ila la ban pelong ya ki match arti match apo Shalom ki match ke ki international match maka film match ba ka FC rawang ni ikmil di ba ki babon ki match be kena wan ne hapo shlong tada kada ko di kalong very important nam ta jungi bangi di ban le bha khang ba ginang yo subun ki ma chami hapo ke jela jungi ba kat punhun subun ya ki ba ki bi